Okie dokie. On the bench today, we have the Mortal Kombat bootleg. So, I believe that when we look at this, yeah, we had right here. I knew it. Right here. Yes, that right there. Okay, so I believe what we should do is get that replaced. I mean, does it say on it what it is? Is that A47? Let me get this zoomed in here. A4717, maybe? Does it say 470? It does. Okay. So let me look around and let me see. Actually, I should turn that on for you. There we go. Oops, that's me. There we go. Yep. 471J. That's what that is. 471J. Okay, so just before we do that here, though, right? I believe we've got a. It's definitely, well, it seems to me. Sorry, I shouldn't say definitely, right? Like, it literally could be anything, such as that. It seems like we got a RAM error. Just by the way the graphics looked, it was missing. It was missing color in the lettering. It added a letter to Battle Plan because it said Battle Plan B, which cracked me up. And it looked like sprites were being drawn where they weren't supposed to be. So it looks to me like we have RAM here. Or is that ROM? I can't tell. That's ROM. Right here. Why did they... Is that... Oh, why did they have to use that? And that's the only footprint for it? It's just that SIP? Or is that a special type of inline dual package? It's not a dip. I can't really tell. Yeah, there is two sets of legs there. Is there not? Yes, there is. Could have a bad trace there too, because that is the bottom. Actually, let's do that right now. Let's just look at the bottom of that. No, it seems like the last person who hooked it up said Mortal Kombat. Good. Love how they spelled combat with a C. That would be... somewhere right here. I mean, it could even be a bent pin touching another pin, which I do not see. I'm literally looking right here somewhere. I mean, those are bent over. I don't think they're touching though. Let me get some more light on the situation here, just so I can really take a look at that. Like, again, it could be a bad trace there. It could be that resistor array stopping, stopping a line from working. Okay, let me go through this here. Yeah, they're bent, but I don't see any touching each other. At least not there anyways. Not there anyways. Okay. Okay, give me a second here. Let me see if I can't find that resistor array here off a parts board and see if what happens when we change that out. Give me 2 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, so after removing it, you can see our issue. All right, so Yeah, look at the writing here. All right, so that's definitely affecting, or was at least affecting something on those lines. There you go. Right. I'm waiting to see. I'll have to check, but I could have swore those were screwed up. Were they not screwed up? The guys in the back? I'm going to let this run just for a second here. I just want to see if... I just want to see what happens, like if anything's changed, as in like Plan B's gone away and all that stuff, and the black writing and crap. I just want to see if it's gone away and changed or what. I don't really see anything. Oh, look, the N is back. Is that not what that says? Right here? Is that not what that says?
Raiden.
Yeah, I don't see any black lettering. Right? Is that not what that says? Missing N on longest high score. Was that not what that was? So yeah, let me let this run through, and I'll source me one of these bad boys here, and we'll be back. Just on a side note, I swear that sounds different than the original. The samples seem okay, right? But there are some, I don't know if that's just a bootleg thing or what, but it does sound different than the original. I could be wrong, but I mean, I've only been playing this game since '91, and that does sound different. See, the tone of the music sounds... Not that I care or anything. I mean, it is a bootleg, right? But... Huh. Oh, that was weird. Is that supposed to do that, too? You do got to remember, too, this is revision 3 they're using here on this. Why'd that change characters like that? Is that normal? I don't know. But okay, let me source one and I'll be right back. Okie dokie. So, we got it in. And I tell you right now, that was a nightmare. I should clean this up here real quick here. And I don't even know if that was the issue, but well, I mean, it must have been an issue, but I don't know what issue that was causing, even though it did make a big difference when I removed it. I was definitely moving some stuff here. Where the heck did I put my bamboo toothbrush? I don't know. Okay, so again, we got it in here. I tell you right now, that pad there, it didn't look like it. That one there, that one there, that one there, there, and there, right? 6 out of the 9 were just trashed, and I believe it was just from oxidization on the pins. Sorry, I know I'm not in focus here, right? But that was nasty, like extremely nasty to get out. Or sorry, put back in. It was, and removing, I should say, as well. It was losing pads left and right. I mean, besides the fact that this is a cheap board, right? So that the pads and everything are not going to be particularly good, right? Okay, so we got it in. Let me back you up here because I want to do this together. Let's see. Definitely check that edge connector and make sure that's not all screwed up. Let's get this together and let's see if that made any difference. What I did notice is, do you notice when you turn this on, you don't go through the normal midway test here? Alright, so we can move that out of the way now. That's not my bamboo toothbrush, by the way. That's just another one that I have. I don't know what I did with it. I just used it, and of course I can't find it. But anyways. Okay, let's see what issue, if we have any issues. Okay, that looked good. That looked real good, by the way. We got no lines anymore. I know you won't be able to see anything, so I'll just hold it. Let's see. Okay, Okay, all that looks good. Actually, let me zoom you in again. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe just zoom you out just a smidgen. Okay, that looks good. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Ah, the one is not over here anymore. It's in the right spot. Don't worry about that jumpiness. That's just stupid. That thing. The GBS 8200. Man, everything looks alright here. That might have been the easiest fix. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on there. If you drop, I'm sorry. I don't mean to. Everything looks all right. I know it's going to be hard for you guys to see. I'm sorry. Did that change the tone of the audio too? Didn't it? No, that looks good. I believe that was the only issue. Oh, does it still sound off, or is that just me? Oh, that looks good. Yeah, that's definitely good. I mean, I know there was black lettering in this and everything. I think we're good to go here. I think we're golden. The only thing that needs to be changed out is these caps, which, I mean, I know you guys don't really care. 220 here, you know, whatever here. And, I mean, honestly, it sounds all right, but this does need to be changed out. That's across, that looks like it's probably across the 12 volt here. That's absolutely freaking destroyed. And I should change that out just because. But you guys don't care about that. I mean, we got it up and running, and it was a quick up and running.
Raiden.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. I think that's excellent. I can play a little Mortal Kombat 1. I can put it in my Killer Instinct cab and be golden. What the hell's that? Oh, that's freaking wild. See, I don't know if that sounds weird or not. It sounds okay in some spots and not in others, but I bet you that's a bootleg thing. But yeah, I think we're good here. I can't believe it doesn't have something to hold that up, but whatever. No, we're good here. Okay, guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.